If 1977 was the worst year for Harley Davidson, then 1994 was the best. Harley Davidson couldn't make these motorcycles fast enough. They had a line out the door and a call list. When you get one in, give me a call. If that guy didn't take it, there were 100 dudes behind him who were ready to buy. They were actually selling bikes over retail because they were accessorizing them at dealerships and charging all kinds of money for extra doodads and bric-a-brac. This is a 1994 FXLR. This is the last year for the FXR, and this one is a pretty rare motorcycle because it's all complete. Back in that time period, guys just couldn't help playing Mr. Potato Head with their Harley Davidson motorcycles. The reason why I bought this motorcycle, there's two reasons. The first was when I was 22 years old, I had this brochure and I used to sleep with it, the 1994 Harley Davidson brochure, which was a great brochure. And that just goes to show how strong their marketing was. And a lot of people think that Harley Davidson is just a marketing exercise, but they do something else great. And that is they build great engines. Second reason why I bought this motorcycle is that this is a great benchmark for the Magnolia 4 project when it comes to power delivery. With just a little bit of tuning, carburetor work, maybe a camshaft, and slip-on mufflers, this motorcycle makes 80 to 90 foot-pounds of torque right off of idle. The charm that these motorcycles represent for people, yeah, sure, it's an American, it's a Harley, but there's more to it than that. It's about the feeling that you get with that low-end power. The rest of the motorcycle is pretty bad, but wow, what an engine. Is a great teaching tool and case study for the motorcycle that we're currently making.